Gentlemen, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Today we are going to show you how to run the read signal file, the read signal program, which is optimized to read the signal and export it from Telegram to MetaTrader 5. You can go to my website, and after that you go to download, press anywhere here to download. Then you can download all the files and or this file. Okay, well, we have downloaded already, and I explained on my previous video how to set up all the accounts and run the MetaTrader brokers. You can watch my previous video. Now let's go to the read signal program, which is the same here. You have to just extract all the folder, and I'm gonna show you how it's going to be run. It's very easy, and the read signal program should be also run in a separated user on the VPS. So I already explained that in the previous video, and the program is already created for you, the read user, so you can run the read signal program very easy. Now let's go briefly how you can run it. Okay, now we have everything is sitting up here, so we close this tab and close this tab. We don't log in, and we close this tab as well. So now we have the program here. The program is optimized and the last version to be run, and it's very easy to export the signals from Telegram to MT5. We just want to run it, and it's gonna be very easy for you to know how it's gonna be run. So we now want to input our license key after you purchase it from me by paying one time or lifetime. So we put the license key. Okay, license is valid. So now the program is going to search for the trade signals to export all the signals from your group on Telegram to the file which is registered in all of your users and the brokers after you running the previous program. So now we have to wait, because it's going to search for the trade signals in all user of your VPS and register the signals right away. Now we have just only to scan our QR code which we want to export the signals from. Now I will choose my own group. You have to grab your phone, then go to Telegram, then press settings, then press devices, then link desktop device. After that I scan my QR code as you see here. The program automatically will be logged into my Telegram on web application. So we have to choose the right group to export the signal from, which we use now the GTM. Now it's going to be stopped. It's okay because it's the first launch, so it's gonna be registering all the application, and we're gonna run it again as I told you. Okay, now we will input the license key again. First time you're gonna install it, and it's gonna stop because it wants to create all the files and application for it. Then we have to choose the right group. Our program now is not exporting the signal from bin, it's also optimized to export signals from other groups, other traders which you want to export the trades from, so to your MT5 directly. So we just want to press here, then we go to our program and press enter and wait for the signal extraction. So now you have to leave it like this, no tabs overlay. So it's very wrong to keep the program like this. you just minimize it and keep the browser open, no tabs overlay on it. So now we have to wait. It's launched already and it's monitoring the signals as you see. Now it's gonna auto disconnect us by 60 seconds. This is normal, so it's gonna keep the status and the session launched automatically, so we don't want to interrupt it. So let's wait the auto disconnect. It's gonna auto disconnect me after 60 seconds. So that's it, my friends, and thank you for watching the video. If you are interested, you can purchase one time. I give you 2 months free for $50, or you can purchase lifetime, as depend on you. You can receive the full updates and full support also by WhatsApp or Telegram. So now we wait the auto disconnect. It's gonna disconnect me after 60 seconds. Okay, so now it's successful. So thank you very much for watching the video. This is a brief video how to run the program.